Today, you'll make a Google slide all about you. Your artwork will look something like this: your name, birth date, favorite color, and something that you love. You'll use this page and work right on top of the instructions. It might look complicated, but really it's fun and easy. The first step is to draw a rectangle, change the color, then type your name on top. Find the Shape tool here. Next, you'll draw two shapes, a rectangle for the background and another shape to show your favorite color. There's two different ways I could type the word purple. I could use a text box and type, or if I click on the shape and double click it, see this cursor shows up? The shape has become my text box. So I'm going to click away, double click on the shape, and then I can just type inside the shape. Try that. On the right-hand side, you'll choose a picture from the internet and type on top. You go to Insert, Image, search the web, and type in birthday. Find a picture you like. Say Insert and resize your picture. Type the birthday month and day right on top. Did you know you could change the transparency of any shape or color? Click on the Fill bucket, go to Custom. Here's a transparency slider. Now you know how to use the Text tool and the Shape tool. To change the color of a shape, it must be selected for the Paint bucket to show up. When you click on the Paint bucket, you can choose a gradient, a solid, or even a custom color to change the transparency. If you get done early in class, do a second page. This time, the categories will be up to you.